Welcome to my nation to a new game. Well, technically not a new game because it's been like 3 years since this game got released. But anyways, the game's called The Forest. In this game, you can build your own base, build your own tools, and explore caves. And at night, there's gonna be a heck ton of zombies that's trying to kill you. The objective of this game is to find our missing son that we lost in a plane crash. So there gonna be a lot of mutated zombies, like one that has that looks like a spider, and one that has many arms. That's creepy. But anyways, I hope you enjoy this video, and let's get to watching. Peace.
Lola ni Jay?
Lolo ni Jay. So ito na po, we're starting the game.
Oh, bro.
Ano?
Okay, Jay.
Ang bilis ng
Okay,
sensitivity
Jay.
ko. Sige, Jay. So, should we skip? What is this?
Asa picture ko, Jay?
What's that?
Shit,
That's a
bumuka na yung straw.
Whoa. Whoa, what do you mean by that?
Whoa.
Whoa, where's my kid?
What?
Yo, gulong-gulo si ano.
No! Uy, ba't
Yes,
napaka ng sensitivity?
Mag-on.
I'm doing the intro. Sean, did you skip the intro?
No, I just got jump scared.
Oh my god!
Weh,
No!
mata eh.
Jay! Jay, we're crashing, Jay! Jay, we're gonna crash!
Yay!
Jay. Jay. Jay.
Every Jay for
Oh my
himself! Every
Every Jay for himself.
We're gonna crash!
Yay!
Uy, Jay, ba't may nawakan betlog ko?
Yay!
Yan eh.
Oh shit,
Jay!
I accidentally skipped the intro. No,
Jay.
I accidentally skipped.
Is this
Jay, yung ano
bunker?
ko, Jay! Wow! Jay!
Hindi ako naka-in character na tawa ko.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! We're inside! May skull dito, guys.
Oh, sakit? What?
May warning, oh.
Aray! Ang sakit!
Whoa.
Saan yun?
Did we go in a circle? Oh my
Yeah,
god.
umigat lang tayo.
Ang sakit, ano yun, pre? I'm bleeding.
Let's go. Hey, Sammy. What the? Oh, shit.
Oh!
Oh, shit.
Oh! Bakak! Ay, aray ko! Aray! Ano ba yun? Ang sakit, mamamatay na ako. Ba't ako may leg?
Paano kumain? Mamatay na ako.
Ako rin eh.
Inventory ko,
Guys?
may chocolates
Ano
yan.
ba yun?
Guys!
Yung mga bato ba?
Tignan niyo yung hawak ko. Chicken. Kinain ko?
Uy, kinain. Kinain.
Oh,
Okay,
shit.
good thing.
Oh, shit.
Pre, hindi yan good thing, pre.
Parang sarap. Jay.
May tao!
Yo!
May tao!
What?
Ayun na, ayun na!
Oh!
Get that some bitch.
I'm dead.
Yes.
Ayun ba?
Ano yan? Pwede ba sumakay dyan? Ikaw, pwede ako sumakay.
Ano, pang-transport yan.
Sige nga. Gagi, bawal.
Number.
Akin, Jay. Ang dilim talaga, what the heck?
Anong J? Wala nang J.
Ayaw nga pala, Gian nga pala.
Guys, tatlong lags na. Who's breathing so hard?
Sorry. Si Jay.
Ah!
Whoa. What happened? What happened? The light. I can't see.
Jay, andilim, Jay!
Jay.
Jay, andilim, Jay!
Guys, the light. Eto, lagyan nyo.
Guys, andilim, bilisan nyo!
Omi. We need rocks and Ba't nawala? Sino nanira nun?
Gago.
We destroyed my
Guys,
apartment.
andilim!
Ang dilim, Jay.
Lagyan nyo
Batog.
Lagyan nyo rocks. We need rocks.
We need rocks.
Ayun, sa sled natin yung sled!
Light it. We need more. We need more. That's not gonna last that long. What the heck was that?
Guys.
I'm gonna make a rock holder.
Lagyan mo dito siya, no?
Ayun na kay Jay yung sled.
Lagyan mo dito. Ano ba, bagsak ka na unyan. Wala nang health, ah.
Lumber! Uy, mag-callouts kayo.
Timber, timber,
Nakasuin ka na, Jay, ha?
timber.
Timber!
Jay.
Jay! Oh, shit!
Guys.
Ah,
Walang.
What? Naliligaw ka na.
Nasa airplane
C.
ako.
Jay, C.
Oo nga, alam ko may L pero guys, it's night.
I'm coming. Pumunta na ako.
whoa!
Oh.
I need more sticks, Jay. I need more sticks.
Tangina mo.
Meron na ako.
Jay,
Lagay mo dun sa ano, sa rock holder.
nag-iisa lang ako.
Ha? May lighter.
Ayan.
Oh, there we go.
Sige lang.
Oh,
Uy,
shit.
Gian. Saan napunta?
Uy,
Nakatakot naman yun, Jay.
nawala na naman ako.
Tangina mo, Gian.
Pa-invite ulit.
Uy, pre, nag-iisa lang. Wala na, pre. Pipikit
Huwag ka
ako.
mag-download.
Fast as fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck, boy.
Got a serial killer, bro.
Wala ka dito, pre.
I don't think I can show this on the camera.
Pre, ilapit ka ba, pre? Ilapit ka pa, dito ka. Ayan ako.
Light it up!
Ooh.
Yes.
We need
There
these.
we go.
Yeah, ah!
Oh my God, Jay.
Umaga na, boys. Pwede.
Asyan, magtabas ka lang ng damo.
Oh!
Yung mga berries, may leaves yan. Oh,
What happened?
Lipat tayo ng place dito. Ako na magtutulok
Kailang.
na to. I'm gonna make a
sige.
sled for the stone.
sige lang. Hindi, balikan na natin. Hanap ako ng spot, ah. I'm gonna go up the path lang. I'm gonna check out.
I'm coming with Ivan.
I'm gonna follow you.
Holy moly, Jay. Hindi na tumataas health
Clear
bar.
the path.
Hindi na tumataas yung ano, pre, stamina.
Wala,
Need to eat.
gutom na rin ako eh.
So guys, TP na tayo sa bagong pwesto.
People, though.
You found what, Ivan?
Another village.
Another village? Is it a good spot?
Low-key, it is.
Oh,
Wala.
ah.
Low-key, maganda tong spot na to.
Oh,
Jay, do you need help? Tama mo na yan, Jay. Baba mo na yan.
I'm coming.
Baka dito.
holy play, dude, that's clean. Oh my gosh,
This kinda is a good view. I'm not gonna lie.
something from Minecraft, bro.
Tsaka, pwede tayo mag-build cliffside, ah.
Ivan,
You can leave that behind mo na. Yo,
this is gonna be a series.
I think this is gonna be a series, my boy.
Okay, goodbye guys.
Hoy, help me! Help me! Yung mother...
Baba pa lang.
Oh, nangyari gago.
O hindi naglo-load.
baba ka lang na, bro.
Bababa lang ako.
Yeah.
Nasa taas ako ng forest.
Baba ka lang na, bro.
Oh.
Gets ba?
Okay, thank you. Okay na. So, paano mag-kill?
Kailangan ko na isang boat. Kailangan mo ito makita.
Ano yun?
Oh my
Oh my
fucking
God.
god! Oh my god! What is that? Guys!
Ito tayo. Ay,
Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Huh?
Bigot mo.
Hit it! Hit it! Hit it!
Ay, gago yun.
Okay po, half na HP ko yun.
Di ba ako si Jared, gago? Ay, gago na
So,
ba
half
ako?
na HP ko yun, yung smack niya. Hindi ako nagbibo. Akit na. Ang sakit, promise. Two hit ka mo siya.
I need more bones,
Yung
man.
incendiary weapon ba, pag umano, nasisira pag binato?
One hit, tapos na. Wala na yung fire. We can go down, by the way. I'm good. Anong hinihintay nyo ako eh?
Tayo na.
Pababa na ako. Guys, welcome to my place,
May
bro.
rope dito, may rope dito, guys. I'm
Yeah,
out
guys, I will
of storage.
put
Bakit may... Guys, remember, the big guys here, ha?
What big guy?
More flares,
Alaga
more
ko
flares
yun,
sa baba,
guys.
more flares.
Welcome to my cave. Alaga ko yun.
Doon ka na mag-first kapag nandiyan na yung kalaban.
Oh, shit.
Kaulanan. Ay, may isa pa entrance, oh.
Okay, kalaban.
Contacts! Oh, guys. Oh,
Malaki.
Oh my god. Oh, ano yan?
I'm burning it.
Sige. Tutok na.
Papabayan niya.
It's dead. Sa likod niyo.
Don't condone to that violence.
I don't give a shit.
I don't give a...
Just wanna do.
Whoa. You wanna what?
Yun. Pwede mo ba i-play, Van?
Ano, I just wanna fuck a dude?
Hindi yun gagi. Yung ano, yung...
Nasa cave. Ito yung nasa cave.
Eh? Legit ba?
Yun,
Ay, oo nga.
nang two shot.
Oo nga.
Shot. Don't sacrifice yourself.
Pangina.
Dami pre, 2 runner.
I'll fight.
Bago ka nag-rush. Ano yun?
Laban.
Ay, meron na naman. May isa pa guys, parang centipede na ewan gago.
Dog.
Parang centipede na ewan gago.
Dog.
Ang dami niyang
Kaya ka na, ano.
Wait. I'm on my way.
Ang dami niyang
Huwag niyo patayin. Sean,
You have
get a
to, mamamatay
video
kami.
of this. Get a video of this.
Dami na gago. Patay gago.
No, shit.
dami niya pre. Wow.
Shit.
Okay din ah. Okay din.
Pasok tayo sa aming humble abode. Okay lang. Si Jan ka lang to.
Ivan, shut up muna.
Ayan. Okay, let's go.
Uy, respeto.
If you look to your left,
May iba na ako sa akin, pre. Ito ba yung watchtower na build ni Ian? Ano ko gag?
Okay. So may watchtower. Pag akit mo dyan, may mga bones. Dito naman sa side na to,
We got plants.
tatanim tayo.
Ito yung water source namin. Pero, walang laman. Ito, Gian na nila. Isa pang watchtower.
Hey, Gian, show him the wall.
Yung gago na ulo pa.
Hi guys. So,
Oh,
Ashan, kaya mo na yan?
so meron pa may unfinished wall dito. Ba't kaya Ivan?
Tutugtog mo nga yun, Jay.
Hey, it's gonna be finished soon, okay?
So ito po may binibuild pa si Gian na bahay. So, we'll continue tomorrow, di ba Ivan? Macdo, di ba?
What?
Go.
Ow!
Tama, McDo tayo ngayon pa. Hindi na tayo McDo bukas.
Uy, Ivan, yung spear ko kinain mo. Yung spear ko.
Oh, look, a spear.
Yung spear ko kinain mo, gago.
Okay, guys, let's keep this going. Start na ng second episode. Let's keep this going, guys.
Pa-edit mo muna ako, sabog ng storage ko, gago.
Ang dami na record, walang na-upload.
Guys, you know, I'm so hungry. I could go for a McDonald's cheeseburger right now with some twister fries and a Coke float. Oh my god, I'm so fucking hungry.
Sana, Mavan.
You're hungry?
Ooh.